What in the world is this? What are they lifting up? Are they washing windows? I can't tell, but it is pretty damn windy outside. Let's roll up the window. Actually, just do this, a little twisting action. And when the red dot reaches the square, boom, you're done. All right. Currently outside my hotel, guys. What the heck is that man doing? Brave soul indeed. Ay caramba! Guys, we are currently in the Toyota Century and we've stumbled across some Le Mans cars at the Toyota press office right over here. I think this warrants an investigation. Dude, our timing is impeccable, ladies and gentlemen. You can't even make this stuff up. They're pushing it in. Yes. So there's one right there. And then a second one over here. Just stumbled across two Toyota Le Mans cars. They raced from 2016 to 2018. They won last year and they won recently this year. Check it out, guys. Boom. Obviously, I'm not a big Le Mans guy, so I don't really know which model they just pushed in and which model that they're pushing into the trailer. Are they two different models? Are they the same? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that color, son? Woo. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at Daikaku, back at it again. This is everyone's favorite eclectic supercar, JDM, whatever show you want it to be. Yes, sir. And of course, the one and only Toyota Century has made its way here. It has a very strange color. It's like a neon green on the LP640. But hey, got a little Murcielago. We're gonna do a quick walk around of all the cars here. We're getting a lot of strange looks in this $180,000 Toyota Century. Sir, that is an extremely bold color, and I approve of it. Never seen a color on an LP640 like that. That's pretty sick. Oh. What the heck? A part of me tells me that is most likely not a wrap. That's most likely paint. Got the GTRs over here, and wait for it. This dog has a little hat. No way. Just like its owner. Yes. Got a lady-owned GTR. She's just wiping down her own car. Carrera 4S bedazzled. Oh my goodness. See, now that's pretty sick. And of course, we got the Murcielago LP640 right over here with some interesting wheels and an interesting kit as well. Check out this Lamborghini Urus. It's got the Urus sticker on the rear here, and it's got the painted diffuser on the rear as well. Check out the wheels. Wow. And on the side, and on the front, the Lamborghini carbon fiber emblazoned logo on the front, and of course on the front bumper we got a Urus. And check this out, we got Uruses of every imaginable model car size on the dash. This guy really likes the Lamborghini Urus. Emblazoned is the Senna logo right there on a 600 LT with the doors up. Yes sir, you know we're in Japan, baby. Oh, the kid's getting the photo in the car. Respect. Nissan GTR. Godzilla. The rear taillights seem to be that of a sticker. It's based off a Renault. It's got one exhaust pipe. Huh. Alright. Looks like the crew is leaving. Not a bad show here at Daikaku. It was raining quite a bit yesterday, so the sun is out, shining down all of us, ladies and gentlemen. So soak it in, baby. You sort of see a lot of swirl marks on the Toyota Century. Black cars are nearly impossible to keep in pristine condition, especially when the sun is out. But alas, there is an entire kit in the trunk that I'll show you guys in a little bit, showcasing how to take care and wash the Toyota Century properly. Is that a yay or a nay? I'm going with a massive yay. Look at that. Unfortunately, I'm too lazy to walk all the way there to get the acceleration. Sounds pretty good. A Lambo Jesus, take note, son. No, 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 come back. Come back. finished lunch. We were talking about, oh, let's go check out that purple Aventador S. Nope, it's gone. I do apologize to all the JDM fans for not filming every single car here. We got a couple S2000s, Nissan GTRs, what have you, Toyota 86s, a couple Porsches and BMWs, but our time has come to an end here at Daikaku. It is time to roll out. Currently here at Tatsumi, got a couple supercars here. Koji's taking a selfie with the Century. Ken Sato's looking a little uncomfortable. I just noticed something here. We got the AMG GTS, I believe, the Huracan in white, black Century, white Jag, white Nissan R34 over there. Aventador SV, couple Porsches, another Maserati, Back to Tokyo we go, I suppose. What in the good Lord's name is this in the back of a truck? Their cleavage is quite. See, you know that War Robots. We don't have hot babes like this in War Robots, so I might have to switch game, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. It's like her butt, and then it's just like molded into the billboard. Oh yeah. I just noticed her hand is like a fucking, what is it? A glove, like a Nintendo Power Glove or something. Guys, influencers have to be in shape, be a follower. What? We are currently having some issues trying to find a place to wash the Toyota Century. There is this entire instruction manual here giving you a step-by-step process and which towels to use from the trunk in the rear there. So what does it say?
It says that you have to first take off your watches and accessories from your wrists.
Okay,
then,
so you don't scratch the paint.
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
And
okay, number 2.
You must use the towels, the specific towels.
Oh, the specific
for
towel.
the body and the tires.
Oh, for the tires.
Soft brushes only with towels in the back.
I mean, that seems pretty basic to me. I don't know.
No, it's the like leather.
Oh, is it
towels?
Like, oh, the leather like camel.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it made out of camel skin?
I think so.
I think that's to rinse off or dry off the water and then use the microfiber towels afterwards.
Car wash? Delicious.
Oh,
He's bringing out the menu.
the menu. But we have our own menu. So our buddy Kaz Spots, check him out on Instagram. He is our official translator for today. OG spotter in Tokyo. But we have to do a specific procedure for the Toyota Century. And unfortunately, a lot of the places here are not.
Well, can we use their menu with this technique? It's only towel.
Are there any self-wash places, Ken?
There are.
Why don't we just do it ourselves? All right, we got the instruction manual. Everyone's taking off their watches. I, for one, no longer wear any of my watches because I'm just lazy. I don't know what it is. So this is the first time a Toyota Century probably has ever graced this abandoned parking lot, turned into a car wash, I guess. But I do like the system here. Got around 6 stalls and it costs around 900 yen. So check out the water and foam gun. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Pre-coat.
So we're doing the 900
Oh, so this
yen
one.
package.
This one's probably this one has soap.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do that one then.
The 800 one.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have the soap.
Doesn't have soap. Oh, okay.
Okay, well we can use a little soap on this thing. For the uninitiated, a lot of press vehicles need to be cleaned properly, vacuumed, washed, and cleaned when you return the vehicle back to the press office. And you have to fill up the gas as well. Something that's not really prevalent or widely used in America. When you get a press car in America, guess what? You just, whatever. Usually an agency handles the cars. That's really soapy. A lot of the self car washes in America are never this soapy. Insert sexual pun or joke here now.
Wheels.
Oh, okay. So we got the leather cloth right here. The blue one are for the wheels and the tires, and the other ones are for what? After the leather cloth?
Yeah, just
It's like the finishing
Yeah,
touch. Okay, so
final.
this is the main drying towel. Currently doing the laziest car spawn known to mankind at Roppongi Hills here in front of the Starbucks. Check out that color though. Hold on. And is that another Toyota Century? Oh,
Oh, that's a scary plane.
9999. Oh.
It's the perfect Tokyo car.
Oh God. How do you do anything in that car? Be quiet, Crow. Wait, whoa, whoa. There's 4 of them. Hold on. I gotta stand up for this. This woman legit has 5 dogs. He's just checking it out. Look at him. I cannot believe it, but we have found ourselves a Jag F-Type SVR convertible in white. He's got the wing up. Yes, come on, give some love. Nothing. Guys, check this out. Super clean Toyota Supra. It seems to be unmolested and unmodified rather. Looks a lot better than the brand new Supra or the BMW Z4. But dude, guys, what do you guys think? Toyota Supra, yeah? Currently doing a little spot here at Roppongi Hills in front of the infamous Starbucks. I've channeled my inner white girl and got myself the brand new promotional seasonal pudding frappuccino with whipped cream and a cherry. I present you the Mercedes S-Class VITT kit. What in the world is that? Oh my goodness. What? Holy smokes, what in the world was that? Can we get another close-up on the thing? Hold on, let's see if we can utilize optical, and now we're entering the digital zoom. Although there, you see the, oh my goodness. I respect it, guys. I respect it. Dude, this guy is legit walking his cat. Wait. Hello.
Oh, he has a branch on his hand.
Oh, there he goes. Whoa. Yay. Hey. Whoa. Dude, that thing can pounce. Dude, this is next level shit right here, dude. Are you kidding me? Look at that cat. Meets cat. Dude, this guy is jamming at the Tokyo station right over here. We're doing a quick photo shoot with the Toyota Century. It is our final night with the car. We are returning it tomorrow at around 10 a.m. or noon. Anyways, dude, this guy is either drunk or just jamming. Look at this guy. Not a care in the goddamn world. I do appreciate that. Take a close gander using the 20x optical zoom on the Sony AX53 Handycam. Link in the description below for all my gear on my Amazon store. Enjoy it while it lasts. What are you doing?